Hello friends, welcome back to Han and San channel. Today we are gonna unbox this Ninja's Max XL air fryer. Sanju is very excited to open this box because I won this air fryer in a draw at my workplace, and I'm also gonna share that picture at the end of this video. This air fryer is come up with the 7 customizable programs, including air fry and bake, which I use most of the time. So this is the basket. I think the capacity is 5.2 liters, which is very good enough for your entire family. We have received 2 booklets. One is a owner's manual and the other one is quick start booklet, which includes cooking charts and some recipes. If you want to, you can find more recipes online as well. Now I'm gonna try air fried chicken. So I wanna use this foil to place chicken just to avoid grease to the bottom of this fryer. For air fry mode, it's automatically selected with 390 degrees and 20 minutes cooking time. And we can also adjust the time and temperature if we want to. We also have the pause option if you want to flip the pieces. So finally, I love this product. In case if you are looking for the air fryer with the multiple functions, then this is the best option. And I'm also gonna share the product link in the description. Please go ahead and check if you want to. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.